Unraveling the 1-2 punch in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that packs quite the metaphorical punch: a 1-2 punch. This expression is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can add a dynamic layer to your English conversations. So, let's get started and explore what makes this phrase so impactful. The term, a 1-2 punch, originates from the sport of boxing. It refers to a combination of two quick and powerful punches, typically a left-hand punch followed immediately by a right-hand punch. This combination is known for its effectiveness in making an impact on the opponent. In everyday English, a 1-2 punch is used metaphorically to describe a combination of two elements, events, or actions that work together to produce a strong or significant effect. It can be used in various contexts, from business and personal success strategies to describing challenges or problems. To fully grasp the usage of a 1-2 punch, let's look at some examples. Business strategy. The company's innovative product design and aggressive marketing strategy acted as a 1-2 punch, propelling them ahead of their competitors. Personal challenges. He faced a 1-2 punch of dealing with illness and job loss, which tested his resilience. Positive impact. The combination of hard work and determination was the 1-2 punch she needed to win the scholarship. These examples show how the phrase can describe both challenges and strategies, emphasizing the dual nature of the actions or events involved. Using a 1-2 punch effectively in conversation can help you convey complex ideas succinctly. Here are some tips. Context is key. Use the phrase in situations where two elements work together to have a significant impact. Variety of situations. Remember, it can describe both positive and negative scenarios. Descriptive language. Combine it with descriptive details to paint a clearer picture of the situation or strategy you're discussing. Understanding and using phrases like a 1-2 punch can enrich your English communication, allowing you to express complex ideas with vivid imagery. Whether you're discussing challenges, strategies, or impactful combinations, this phrase adds punch to your conversations. We hope this exploration helps you confidently integrate a 1-2 punch into your English vocabulary. Thanks for joining us, and happy learning!